Hi, I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org, and today we're going to be talking about the stones in the high priest's breastplate. This can be found in Exodus chapter 28, starting in verse 17. And you shall mount on it 4 rows of stones. The first row shall be a row of ruby, topaz, and emerald, and the second row a turquoise, sapphire, and diamond, and a third row jacinth, agate, and amethyst, and the fourth row beryl and onyx and jasper. They shall be set in gold filigree, and these stones were to be put into the woven garment that was beautiful, that was for Aaron, the high priest. And each one of these rocks represents a different tribe from the tribe of Israel, starting with Reuben, the oldest, all the way to Benjamin. So we're going to look at some of these rocks and minerals today. So here we have, I have topaz, and that topaz is kind of a tannish color. We have emerald, which normally is green. We have turquoise and sapphire, which is similar to lapis lazuli. In other scriptures, it's mentioned as lapis lazuli. And then we have agate. We have amethyst, which is purple. We have beryl and onyx and jasper. Now, these weren't necessarily exactly how they looked, because some of the things that are mentioned have different colors than the rocks that we talk about today. If you're teaching this to a group of students and you have a diamond, like a wedding ring, you can show a diamond for that. Now, the breastplate of the high priest, you can also do a craft with that. We had some exciting shiny paper that we glued down first, and then we put some trim around the edges, and then I used those plastic gems that would represent each color of each of the stones. So you can look up the different colors of the different stones and then put them up here. Now I have a blog post on my blog that tells you what color each of the stones were. So if you are doing this activity, you can do that. I will link to that blog post under this video. It's at susanevans.org/blog. And then you can search for high priest, and it will probably come up with this one. Okay. Another activity that you can do with the breastplate of the high priest is to make a little doll. We made a little doll that was Aaron, and then there are little tiny jewels that I glued to the front of him. So this is our study of the breastplate of the high priest to look into rocks and minerals of the Bible. I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching.